Both NASDAQ 100 and US30 trading bearish so far, achieved a low at 33,520 and 33,150 levels. You remember stronger support at this zone. Previous week's low was at 33,520 levels also, and US100 is anyways trading a little more bearish. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look into NASDAQ 100 and then followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do not miss to like, share, subscribe and comment. If you are missing on to subscribe, definitely you are missing on the profits. That's my words. Do subscribe the channel, and the next update on Dow Jones and Nasdaq will be up before the US cash session. That will be the second update for the day. So do watch that also. Let's start with US100. See, US100 on the hourly charts has a gap there, has already shown a gap down, and you can find out now that, see, till 13,250 levels, so it is trying to give you stronger lower highs and lower lows. The resistance there at 13,240 levels is going to be strong. Yes, this is the level you should watch out for. That should be also a gap filling exercise, and hence till 13,250 you have to be very cautious. On the hourly charts you can find it is forming a bottom, trying to rise from here. Let's have a more detailed look there. On the upside, remember the resistance there at 13,250, 13,300 zone, and on the upside 13,400 is going to be stronger there. I will give you the levels. Just let's have a look here in detail. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish, and this is at extremes, and hence we may see a bounce back. RSI is oversold, so on the hourly chart it appears we may see a bounce back there. On the 2-hour chart, so far it has given lower highs, higher lows, trying to break out any of these zone in between 13,200 and 13,150. If you see it trading beyond 13,200, you can expect that it will rise till towards 13,220, 240, 250 levels. 250 is a good resistance. Beyond that, we may be looking at 13,280, 300 levels. On the downside, anyways below 13,150, you have to wait for 13,050 and then 13,000 levels. Strongly bearish here on the 2-hour charts. Must converge, must rise. RSI is stochastic is oversold, and it is consistently trading oversold. Must rise from here, must see a bullish move. Likewise, the MACD also is bearish, must try to cross over again on the buy side a little. RSI is oversold, extremely oversold indications on the hourly and 2-hour charts. We must look forward to a rise on Nasdaq today. Now look at the 3-hour charts, forming a bottom, trying to rise almost. It may try to close a little bit higher at around 13,180, 185 levels, and then the next candle, if it breaks past this zone at 13,200, stay long. It will try to take it till towards 13,220, 240 and 260, 280 levels. Till 13,280 it has got good resistance on the upside. Directional movement extremely bearish. It must start to converge and give you green candles. Stochastic oversold, probability of rise exists. MACD is wide divergent and bearish. RSI extremely oversold. It must come out from these oversold levels, but these are markets. If it can sustain overbought levels, it can sustain oversold levels too. Do not think that yes, it is oversold and it is going to bounce back. It can retrace a little on the upside, but then drop again. So be watchful of that. Now look at the 4-hour charts, trying to form a bottom out there. There is a gap out there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts also, it is trying to trade in this zone. The resistance there till 13,280, 13,300 is strong. And yes, you can stay long here. If it trades beyond 13,200, yes, you can stay long. Then expect 13,220, 240, 250 and then 13,280, 300. Only remember that 13,150, 150 levels should be very strong support for US100. If it draws below 13,150, we can see it dropping further. And also it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. See the size of the candles out there. So probably a retracement is possible, and how far it can retrace on the upside. see on the 4-hour charts, it is highly likely that it can attempt and achieve 13,400 levels. So first you can stay long above 13,200. Expect that there are going to be, it may trade slowly till 13,280 300 zone, and if it breaks past this, you can expect it to hit 13,400 levels for sure. If not today, then possibly tomorrow. Directional movement so far is extremely bearish. Stochastic is oversold and it must try to rise. MACD is extremely bearish. It can start to converge. RSI is oversold. Likewise on the daily charts, if you look at on the daily charts, you will find it is given a gap there. It is given a gap down there, and see the, remember, now look at these two candles on the daily charts. It is giving you a step out there. Even if it tries to rise there and lower highs, even if it tries to rise there, it has opened low, probably it may sustain the bearishness, it may create the step, and the next candle will try to take it further down. For the day, in between 13,150 and 13,200, do not take a position. Above 13,200, yes, you can expect little bullishness there, and then you can go long. Directional movement is bullish so far on the daily charts, hence it can converge. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is just 3 candles away, hence a red candle can be expected. RSI is trading. So remember, any rise till towards 13,280, in fact till 13,400, consider that as bearish only. Consider Nasdaq as bearish only, and it may continue to drop from there. Only on the downside, 13,150 you should watch out for. Below 13,150, it will call for more bearishness there, and it may continue to drop again on the downside. Go long above 13,200, go short below 13,150. Remember, till 13,400, if you are long, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. You have to trade with a, you have to keep shifting your stop loss to cost and the first milestone, because till 13,250 it has got resistance at that every 200 point, 13,220, 13,240, and then beyond that also it may get the resistance at 13,280 and 300. Be watchful till 13,300. Below, beyond that you can expect 13,350 and 400. These are the two stronger resistance. Keep shifting your stop losses to each of these milestones and ensure that you are at least preserving these little profits, because little profits are better than a loss or no profits. So do trade with the trailing stop loss. On the downside, go short below 13,150, expect 13,120, 13,060, first target, and then it will drop for 12,970 and 12,900, which is going to be a very strong support. So take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want, like and appreciate my support effort, you can become a pattern. At least just support the cause. Do not, this hardly cost anything, so you become a pattern. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Else you can be part of my VIP signals group or become a part of my membership, that is mentorship batch. Definitely the strategies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Now look at the hourly charts on US30. It has created a base. Higher lows is trying to create. Only short entry, as I said in my weekly analysis also, is below 33,500 levels. If it drops 33,600, we had entered a short, but remember 33,500, 400 levels are definitely stronger support. Now it has created the base out there trying to rise. Once you see it trading again above 33,650, that is the level only beyond which one can stay long. Beyond that, you can expect 33,700, 750 and 800 levels. Till 33,800, it has got stronger resistance. Just be watchful of 33,750 and 800 zone. And if you look at the directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, looking upwards. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is near to oversold levels on the hourly charts. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, it is trying to rise. Let's have a long entry is only recommended if you see it trading below, beyond 33,650. Then 33,700 is the next target. And see, remember 33,670 and 33,700, very strong resistance there on the upside. If it breaks beyond 33,700, we can expect a little bullish momentum. Then 33,750, 820 levels should come into picture. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is still bearish. It is divergent. It must start to converge. RSI at bottom there. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, see the next candle is yet to start, and on the upside just be watchful of 33,650. Only beyond that, yes, I will recommend a long entry, and then 33,700 is definitely a very strong resistance. If it trades beyond 33,700, you can expect 33,750 and 33,850 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI is at bottom there. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, see it is still trying to rise. Only long entry, remember, is beyond 33,650. Beyond that, yes, you can go long for 33,700, 33,750 and 850 levels. And remember, on the day 4-hour charts, it has still got a stronger motive to go down, but it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, getting a pullback on again on the upside. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI is, so see on the most indicators it is oversold and extremely oversold, hence it can see a bounce back along with the other indices, and hence probably we can see a rise, but only long comfortable long entry is above 33,650, beyond which yes you can stay long, and yes only short entry I will recommend, the safe short entry is at 33,500 levels. Yes, till it is below 33,700, in fact 33,840, till the time it trades beyond 30 below 33,800 840 zone, you can expect that it may drop again, hence you have to be very cautious. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see it is started in red, lower highs, and it is trying to trade in red. Probably we can see it trading in between this itself. 33,700 is definitely going to be very strong resistance. Below 33,500 it will try to directly achieve 33,300 and 33,200, very strong support there, and also further down there are supports there till 29,800 700 levels. Those who recall my weekly analysis, I had given those levels already. Directional movement is bullish, must start to converge. Stochastic is trying to enter into oversold zone. The MACD has just crossed over and it is divergent. This is the first red candle. We can expect it to diverge more. We can expect that it may remain bearish till 33,800 840 levels. One can expect that it can drop again on the downside. RSI trading flat for the day. Yes, you can go long at 33,650, go short at 33,500. Remember on the upside 33,700, very strong resistance, and then 33,750 and 33,850. These three resistance zones you should watch out for till 33,850. Every rise is good to go short, and probably we can see a drop, but remember 33,500 levels, if it breaks below, you can expect it to hit 33,400 and 33,200 levels. Good support at 33,200. Below that it is going to hit 29,800 700 levels. Take your 32,700 800 levels. Take your positions accordingly. On the downside 32,700 800 should be a very good support. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do become a patron, do become a part of mentorship batch, or you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel in description, video description. Also you can be part of my signals group. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.